Hi guys, so what's good? What's really good? Let's address the elephant in the room. Yeah, I shaved my hair, trimmed it all off. I'll do a whole video on why I trimmed my hair in a few days, so look out for that. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about these Chinese people at Jamaica where they make fake rice and fake Milo and they feed Uno hit. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this story, please keep on watching your girl. So recently, two videos surfaced on Facebook of these Chinese people making Milo and rice. And these are fake Milo and fake rice. They actually use, in the rice video that I saw, he used paper or plastic bag or something. I'll insert the video in this video of the video that I saw. He used some plastic to make rice. Okay, so a few weeks ago I did a video about the Chinese people talking about how they don't feel welcome in Jamaica. They always, a few days ago I made a video about how the Chinese people say they don't feel welcome in Jamaica and how their cultures are different and our culture is different because Jamaican people are enthusiastic and they're more laid back, and certain things that Jamaican people do offends them, like all of the Chinese people them ling and ching ching and all these things, and it offends them because every one of them name ling and chin chin and all these things. So do their business in Jamaica, but they send their money to China. And with this going on in Jamaica right now, this has to do with our people. Our people selling out our country. Okay? Jamaica is not owned by Jamaican people anymore.
Paper that, you know, a blood clad paper, and they put in the machine. Plastic that. Fucking plastic. Rice that, you know, rice them make out of plastic. Me pussy clot. Look what they in the feed with. Look what they in the feed with auntie, sister, cousin, madam, pitney them. Them pussy all have to come out of the country. Funny pussy all face, you know. Milo to pussy club.
You want proof, because I know a lot of people like to ask me about if I have proof or all that. Y'all can do y'all research too, okay? I'm only one person. I can't give you all the information, so I'm gonna need to do some research to mine. But Jamaica is not owned by Jamaican people. If you didn't know, now you know. So this is why stuff like this can happen in Jamaica and it doesn't cause a big uproar or nobody says anything about it, because the Chinese people can pay out who they need to pay out so people don't talk about it, and they can quiet who they need to quiet because they have secret for them. So that's why this doesn't catch mainstream media or news networks in Jamaica. When stuff like this happens on the internet, only people that are directly on the internet will see stuff like this. And Jamaica is to be blamed for this, because Jamaica used to export goods to other countries, okay? We used to plant cassava, yam, dashing, cocoa, make we own everything and export it to different countries. But now we have taken it up on ourselves to import these people's ready-made and fake-made things in our country. And now we're paying the price, because they're killing us off slowly but surely. And this is also evident, not just with this video, but also another video that Toflo TV did on his channel about the Chinese people, them when they're in Jamaica with them Chinese restaurant, they feed donkey and all sorts of different things. A full-time Jamaican people step up and actually demand that your government investigate every goods that is imported in our country, especially if it's gonna be consumed, something that's going into your body. And that's why there's so much high blood pressure, high cholesterol and diabetes and all sort of different diseases in Jamaica, because we're eating things that are not healthy, that are fake, and we're putting it into our body, and our body can't break it down. Our body can't get rid of it out of our system. A soy go in, a soy come out, basically. And we're not getting any nutrients from it. And so if you're not getting any nutrients and vitamins from your food, then your immune system becomes deficient and weak, and you can't fight off the simplest of disease like flu or any of that. Full time now, we as Jamaican people go back to our roots and go back to farming and going back to catering for our own people. Just like how Ling Ling and Ching Ching cater for their own people and send back all their money go back to China, that's the same way Jamaican people need to sit down, come together as one people, start farming their own food. And me don't give a hell about how not do it or how we not do it or wow come we don't do it. Just do it. Okay, that's my thoughts and opinions on it. And me know no farm now talk about how and everybody want farm and everybody want to turn farmer anymore, and the Chinese then provide more cheaper things for me, and it's so easy and accessible because we can just go right on the street and go back. Hi, hello. It's either your life or your death or your health. Pick which one. Cheap not always being good, and that's what that's another thing with Jamaican people. We like cheap things, and I know also well because me love cheap things, so I can't even front. But when it comes down to food and things that you're putting in your body, we need to be more aware and cautious, especially in Jamaica, because then they use and abuse us as people, and it's not good. It's not good at all. Imagine what these fake food that we have been eating does to our children, does to their development, does to their body, does to our immune system, does to our organs, does to our skin. I can go on and on and on and list different stuff that fake food or food like this can cause to our body. But we sit around and we let people buy our country and feed us fuckeries, basically. And that's just how I feel about it. Then they feed me fuckeries. And it's up to us to demand better, and demand better from not only our own people, but also our government. Our government really needs to investigate the stuff that they're importing in our country, because then they take if you joke now. And not until somebody dies from these shit that they're importing is when they're actually going to take into stock and actually and actually investigate stuff. We don't need nobody to dead for them investigate. We need to ask from no and demand from no before somebody's life is taken when it can be prevented and be prevented very easily and simply. So that's my thoughts and opinions on this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here. Deuce.
Paper that you know. A blood clad paper and they put in the machine. Plastic that. Fucking plastic. A rice that you know, rice them make out of plastic. Me pussy clot. Look on what they in the feed with. Look on what they in the feed with auntie, sister, cousin, mother and pitney them. Them pussy all have to come out of the country. Panning pussy all face you know. A Milo to pussy club.